bago na nga yung music mo. I'm just curious kasi while listening, iba na talaga yung boses eh. So, binabalikan mo pa rin ba yung before? Or kumakanta ka pa rin ba ng mga pop music?
Well, actually, sabi ko nga, syempre ito yung priority ko. Pero like sometimes, invitation, mga singing engagements. There are always mga nag-i-invite, mga corporate events na syempre, I still sing some of the songs I used to sing. But when I say used to sing, not necessarily all by myself or but like for example, diba, the last time I was with David, I did Bukas na Liwanag, He Laid Me Down. And when I did those songs with him, I felt like that was the new era. You know, na kahit na bagong kanta ba, kahit na Tagalog, kumbaga nandun pa rin yung birit. Sabi ko, yun yung gusto kong kind of songs na ipaperform ko kung may mga corporate events. Usually corporate events, mga invite sa they always want me to sing slow songs and more mellow and everything. Pero pag, like for example, mga out of town shows, they're always up to yung talagang mga
so may mga birit song, power songs pa rin. Sa album, parang naano ako na you really dedicated a song para sa mga haters. So talagang aware ka sa mga negative comments and
of course. Although syempre, like minsan sagot ako, minsan hindi, depende sa mood ko. Pero
bakit ka nag-compose?
Yeah.
Bakit ka nag-compose ng song for them?
It's for fun, actually. I mean, everybody does something, really weird these days. And sabi ko, ano ba sulat ko? Ay, sige, para may iba, sulat tayo about. But particularly lang naman yung intro na yun. Because the next song, Kill Myself to Sleep, is about ibang ibang meaning na. But yeah, it was so much fun because I actually just recorded it for my yung tiny recorder ko kung saan ko nirecord yung mga ibang thoughts ko and yung mga ibang songs ko. Doon ko lang nirecord and then I put in my Logic Pro and then in-edit ko lang siya with may mga ibang effects, ganyan. And sabi ko, ito rin gagawin kong intro for the kid. It was just for fun. There's no particular, certain people na pero yeah, it's for everybody who try to put me down.
And lastly, do you still get affected pag nakakabasa ka ng mga negative comments?
Who doesn't get affected, diba? Like if they tell you something na alam mo sa sarili mo hindi totoo, you get affected. Kasi parang, pero yung I guess yung frustrating part of this kasi hindi mo sila mapunta, saan ka ba? Puntahan kita. Kwento ko sa'yo buhay ko, di ba? Hindi mo pwedeng gawin yun eh. So yun lang yung frustrating part sa gawin mga kaya ka naiinis, kaya minsan nakakapag-comment ka. But, syempre, it affects me. But, at the end of the day, I realized, hindi naman nila ako talaga kilala eh. Papahirapan ko lang sarili ko na i-explain sarili ko na haba-haba, baka hindi kasya sa Instagram comment. Diba? So, Kevin, sabi nga na, Kevin. Malay mo.